Hi, I'm Ann,
And I'm Dean.
and we are here up on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It's A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain.
And the big day has arrived. The pump is here, and we are starting our pour of our cement base. Here you see that the guys are doing the perimeter of the floor or the cement base, which is 4,000 square feet, I might add. And it takes a lot of cement. And the boys are preparing to power screed. And you will notice that there is marks on the, here's the power screed now, and
which smooths out the cement to make it a little bit more level. Right. It levels the cement.
Correct. So they do it in 3 stages. They do 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. It makes it a little easier because this pour is a big pour. It's 82 meters of cement. So that's a big pour for them.
There was 8 guys working on this job today doing this pour. As you can see, the cement is pouring out of the pump, and they're raking it and leveling it to make it nice and smooth and even. They're even going around the edges to check with the survey equipment to make sure that it is even and level.
Correct. The power screed is one of the biggest tools in this. It starts to level everything out. And then later on, you will see that they will come in with the power trowels. And these are rotary machines, and they start leveling everything from that and smoothing everything out as they go. So this is where we're at right now. This is what the first third, as you see.
Today, our day started very early at 7 a.m. They were here putting out their equipment and getting set up. There's the trucks. They even had a cleaning station we set up for them so that after they poured, they'd clean their trucks. You'll see the pump machine as well.
Thank you for Pompage Express for doing a great job.
Right now you see the guys polishing the floors with the
cement trowels.
Now you see an image from the drone of the cement floor.
We would like to thank Cimentier Expert Audrey. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.